Where is everyone?
Don't they know it's time to start season 3?
Let's go find them.
Bubblegum, bubblegum.
What are you guys doing? It's time for season 3!
Season 3! We need to go! Hey, what are you guys doing in there? Don't you know it's time for season 3?
Okay!
Guys, what are you doing? Come on, don't you know it's time for season 3?
What? What do you mean? Look at the time, we're already late. Let's go! Savage love. There's the money, there's the money. 20? Guys, it's time for season 3. Let's go.
Okay!
Beautiful, like diamonds in the sky. I can't believe I'm missing season 3 for this. Wait, season 3? Let's go!
Season 3 starts right now!
Yo, Greg, have you ever wondered what the bulldog does when we're not in school?
I don't know. Let's go find out what his morning routine is.
What?
Wake up. You're on the street.
Would you like to buy anything from a coffee cart?
Which energy would you like?
Little bulldog, here's your watch car. Have a great day. Okay, little.
Wow, I didn't know he did that much before school.
Yeah, but I still wonder what he does at night.
I love your shirt. Where's it from?
It's from
Pastel.
I love shopping there for back to school clothes.
Oh, me too.
Let's go see what your favorite back to school shopping store is.
Hi, my name is David Milishevsky.
My name is Olivia Thomas.
And my favorite back to school shopping is Walmart.
My favorite back to school shopping is Target.
Hi, my name is Giovanni Guerrera, and my favorite shopping store is Target.
Hi, my name is Julian and my favorite shopping store is also Target.
My name is Mary Garrett. My name is Hunter Maddox. My favorite back to school shopping store is Hollister. My favorite back to school shopping store
My name is David Tchaikovsky, and my favorite back to school shopping store is Amazon.
Hi, my name is Mia Ashley. My favorite back to school shopping store is Hollister.
Now, baby.
I'm Kaylee Patton. I'm in 7th grade, and I think there's 1,170 students in Taft.
My name is Sadie Meznikowski. I'm in 6th grade, and I think the Taft student enrollment is about 2,000 kids.
Hi, my name is Blake Sanchez. I'm in 6th grade, and I think Taft's student enrollment is 1,000.
Hi, I'm Aiden Lemke. I'm in 8th grade, and I think the Taft student enrollment is 1,153.
My name is Dylan Bender. I'm in 8th grade, and I think the Taft student enrollment is 1,056.
I'm Drew Carroll. I'm in 7th grade. I think the Taft student enrollment is 1,300.
principals' names are?
No, they're new here.
I think their names are Mrs. Mucha and Mr. Raciana.
Yeah, let's get to know them.
Let's get into it.
My name is Chris Raciano, one of the new assistant principals here.
My name is Terry Mucha. I am the assistant principal taking the place for Mrs. Bach, who will be here in October.
It's a good question because I didn't really ever aspire to be a principal. Kind of happened by chance. I became an athletic director and a dean, and after having that role, I just really enjoyed it. It was a different way of working with the kids. I really liked it, and that's where I've been now for 8 years.
And I was a teacher, and then a counselor, and then a principal. So I've kind of done all of the jobs and loved all of them. I am retired, but I'm back here because I like middle school kids.
Fun facts about me. I finished my student teaching in New Zealand, and I lived out there for a few months. Other than that, big traveler, hiker, love fishing, and love sports.
And the fun fact about me, I think, is that for 20 years I played women's soccer against other towns that had women's teams. So that was fun. And my husband and I do a lot of traveling since we have retired.
Well, I've only been a principal to middle school, and I love middle school because every day is kind of a new day, unknown, keeps you on your toes. And I just like working with kids. I think this is a great age group. You guys are young adults, but you're still kids, and I love that age group and just kind of work with you guys, transitioning into that adulthood, getting ready for the real world. I just love this age.
And I also have to agree with that. I love seeing the kids grow through 6th, 7th, and 8th grade. They are so different in 6th to 8th that it's really fun to watch. I love this age group.
When I grow up, I want to be just like Mrs. Mucha and be retired. That's my ultimate job. But if I got to pick a job that they were going to pay me, I'd have to say either like I'd love to be a mountain guide, taking people hiking, or I think a professional bass fisherman would be pretty cool.
I don't think those are going to happen for me.
No.
I guess I always kind of wanted to be a veterinarian. So that would be something that I would go into if I didn't love teaching so much.
Oh, look, there's a paper. Let's see what it says. Name every teacher you can think of in 20 seconds for a prize. Let me think. Mr. Halabowski, Mrs. Machola. Dang, I don't think I can name any more.
Hey, what's that? Oh, I bet I can name more than you. Miss Akio, Miss Akiwa, Miss Foster, Miss Blue, Mr. Halabowski, Mr. Hopin. What else? Oh yeah, I think that's it.
Dang, you definitely won that prize.
Yeah, but let's go see how many teachers others can name in 20 seconds.
Okay, let's go.
My name is Colin Knight. I'm in 8th grade, and I'm seeing how many teachers I can name in 20 seconds. Miss Lease, Miss Abraham, Miss Kiwa, Miss Welsh, Miss Scott, Miss DeLoyne, Mrs. Dunn.
Kenzie Martinez, I'm in 8th grade, and I'm seeing how many teachers I can name in 20 seconds. Miss Hughes, Mr. Thomas, Mr. Angel, Mr. Holubowski, Miss Talevsky, Mr. Claus, Miss Gear, Miss Adamski, Miss Lease, Miss Abraham, Miss Zimbelis, Mr. Jones, Miss Foster,
Thank you.